Today I am going to explain about a variable. What is a variable in Java? Variable is a name given to memory location. It is stored in a program. Variable thus has a data type. Data type. Data type. Variable has a data type. This means variable store is a memory location. This is a memory location. Variable is a store here. Int age 32. My age is 32. Suppose that. Int is a data type. Data type int, long, char, byte, double. It is called data type. I will explain next video about data type. Age is variable name. 32 is a value. Suppose this value is stored in a RAM or JVM. Here int age is 32. My age means next year. Now is 32 next year. Next year my age is plus 1. My age is equal to age plus next year. Spelling is year. It's okay. Year. And then after system data to print is give the value is my next year. Next year value is gonna print is the 33. This means now is JVM stored 32. Now change the value is change the variable name is 33. It is stored in JVM. That's why variable is the name of are allocated in memory. Vary plus able. This means value can be changed. Suppose here is 33. So when is print the 32? Now is the 33. This 33 is stored in the JVM. That's why vary plus able means value can be changed. Value can be changed. There are three types of variable: local variable, instance variable, and statics or class variable. What is the local variable, instance variable, and statics variable? I'll explain from the code. First of all, it is our class name is main. I'm gonna go change the name is variable. Refactor, rename, and variable. Class name is capital, variable. Okay, refactor, class name is variable. Okay, class name is variable. I'm going to int a value is equal to 10. Suppose that is 10. Okay, int a is equal to 10. It is equal to 10. And statics int b is equal to suppose that 20. Okay, and we're gonna go to the make of one method name. Method name is suppose that add publics void add. It is our method name, and we are going to add a plus b. This means we are create the value c is equal to 30, for example. Okay, and int d. We can go to the add d equal add a plus b plus c. Go to the print is equal to d. We're gonna go to the print here. A plus b plus c is equal to answer is 50. F's answer is gonna go to run the. I have the print of the D. I'm gonna go to the print D. First of all, we make a object of the class, variable our class name, v is equal to make a object is new variable. We're gonna go to the make a object, v dot add. Okay, v gonna go to the add, result is gonna go to the 50 or 60, 20 or 30, 50, 60. Yeah, result go to the 60. Print is D. This means this is our. Okay, another clear. I'll clear. I'll make the another method public, because you are very clear, void multi. Okay, subtractor multi view, suppose multi. Okay, and then you're gonna put the print. This means integer e equal integer a equal 30, 40 and integer f. Okay, integer f. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the print here. I'm gonna void void. Okay, I'm gonna go to the print here. Multiple is f is equal to a, b, c, d. But why this is the c is the error? Why? This is the question. Because of c is a local variable of add method. And d is also local variable of add method. That means a plus b, a into v into c into d into e is accepted. Okay, and oh no, I gonna write a c, it is not accepted, and then d is also, so it's not accepted. Why? Because of this is a local variable. Local variable we can use only for the local. It is very clear the meaning local, right? Local, this is a local, we can use only for the this method. So we are deleting here and print that. Yeah, so you just shout that printf and write here v dot multi. Okay, this is our method name. We're gonna go to the run the program. This is satisfied, this is happy. This means it is very clear. This means I'm going to copy here, copy, go to the paint here, paste here. Okay, okay, here, okay, here. Okay, this is our class name. Class name is a variable, we understand. Int a is a instance variable. This is called a instance variable. This is called instance variable. This is called the statics variable. What is the statics variable? Very easy. We have the statics one. This is called the statics variable or class variable. Statics variable. This is a local variable. This is a local variable. Let's see, a local variable. Okay, look at that here. This is our class. Class is here. This is our curly bracket. Here is also another curly bracket here. We are closing the curly bracket. This is the class. This is the class. This point, this is the class from here to here. This is called the like this. This is the our class from here to here. Our class. Okay. This is the class. This is the instance variable we can use everywhere. Every method, constructor we can use everywhere. We'll explain later in instance variable, statics variable, and local variable, just for you understand the code. And this is the local variable. This is the instance variable. I already explained in statics variable means where the statics or this is called a statics variable. This is a local variable means is the local variable. In C is local variable. This means local variable we cannot use outside the method or constructor. This means this C we cannot use here, or multiple our multiple is our function name or method name. We cannot use here this bracket to this bracket. Because of why? Because C is a local variable. Local variable we can use only for method, constructor, or this bracket to this bracket. That's it. Now I'm going to explain about I already explained about what is the local variable, statics variable, and instance variable. I clear. Again, what the local variable means? Local variables are declared in a method, constructor, or block. Means this is a local variable. Local variable used only for constructor, method. This is method. This is method only for method. This point is explained. Local variable are declared in a method, constructor, or block. Access modifier cannot be used with a local variable. What is the access modifier? This means we cannot use here private, publics, and default. We cannot private public here. Local variable cannot use access modifier means. Third point. Their scope is limited to the method. We cannot use the whole class. The limited is the method. Just only use method. We cannot use the whole class. That's okay. No default value for the local variable. So it should be declared and initialize the value should be assigned before the first use. Yeah. This means what is this means? This means local variable initialized first and then use. This means what is this point? No default value or local variable, so it should be declared. This means suppose that here is a int C is a local variable of add method. I'm not initialize here. This is the error. First initialize and then after use the value. This point is here. Variable always memory, stack memory. It use inside method, constructor, or block, not outside. That's it, not outside. This is the local variable point. Instance variable. This is called the instance variable. Int a is equal to instance variable. This means instance is declared in a class, but outside method, constructor, or any block. Yes, this is a declare in a class. This is a declare in a class, right? Not here. Not constructor. Method declare in a class. This point is clear. Instance variable is stored in the heap memory. Instance variable is stored in the heap memory. They have a default values like int is equal to 0, boolean false, object is equal to 9, null. When we can use the access modifier means Statics instance value variable, we can use the public, private. We can use the private because we can use this class private. We can use the access modifier in instance variable. I'm going to explain about statics variable. Statics variable means out of the static sort. This is the static sort. This is called the statics variable. First, it is used the statics keyword in the class, not outside a method, constructor, or block. Statics always like same instance variable but different, or we can use the statics keyword in a class. The scope similarly to instance variable. This means we can use whole class inside method, constructor, or block. Clear this point. When run the program, this is important. When run the program, then statics variable dot class file is loaded in the memory. Statics variable is allocated. When the class file gets the onload, variable automatically gets deleted. It is not stored in the heap memory, it is stored in the statics memory. This means different memory. I'll explain later. They have default values like integer is equal to 0, boolean false, object is equal to none. They can use access modifier. Means statics variable can use access modifier. We can use the private here. And I'm going to explain here. This example is very most important example. We have a private integer a is equal to 10, statics variable b is equal to 20. We can make a object new variable. We can go to the object. When going to the print object1.a, object.b, we're going to the print 10 and 20, 10 and 20. This is clearly understand. And again, we have changed the variable. Object1, we have changed the object. Object1 dot a is equal to 100 and object b is a statics, is gonna put the 200. When gonna print here, print is same 100 and 200. This is also clear. Second, I'm going to variable object2, I'm going to making the new object. When are we going to the new object is a JVM, we have created the new object. This is a new variable means we have created a new object. And then when system data object 1.a or b, I'm going to print 10 and 200. How? Because of here, when I'm going to the print object 1 and object 2, when first of all I'm making the object 1, then change the variable and 100 and print 100. Object 2 has a 10. When I'm going to the print object2.a, that time we're gonna print the 10. 10 is int a is equal to 10 is private. This is going to the print. Because of this is the statics variable. Look, this variable is statics variable is point here. It is not stored memory variable. It is a stored statics memory. This means we're gonna go to the store different memory. That's why gonna print a object year dot is equal to 10. Okay, thank you. This is important questions for interview. Thank you very much.